this week happens to be Severe Weather Awareness Week, meaning a time to evaluate if you are prepared for the worst.
And the worst could include a tornado or other weather events. Today, families, schools, and businesses across the state will participate in an annual statewide tornado drill.
LEX 18's Claire Kopsky is live in our newsroom now. She has details on what's happening today.
Claire and Chris, the purpose of this Awareness Week is to make sure you're prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws your way, not only at home, but also at work and at school. Although it's early in the severe weather season, the National Weather Service wants everyone to test their alert systems to make sure everything is working as it should. They also want to ensure everyone is familiar with the sounds and the alerts. That way there's less confusion during an actual crisis. Kentucky state law mandates that schools perform tornado drills once a semester, so today offers an opportunity for the wider community to get involved with them as well. The National Weather Service stressed the importance of knowing where to go in the buildings that you frequent. They also say the outdoor sirens aren't the only ones that will go off today.
It's a good way to test your own system and find out if you're getting alerted or not. If you don't have a weather radio, obviously we encourage people to have weather radios, but cell phones are a great way of receiving warnings now. Now the wireless emergency alert system will not carry it on this case, but ideally other systems through any TV stations or any private vendors should carry it through and identify it as a test.
Now it is up to each county whether or not they will blow the sirens out loud today. Here in Fayette County, you can expect to hear the sirens at 10:07. So the National Weather Service does encourage all to use the alert as an opportunity to ensure that you know what to do should a disaster strike. Claire and Chris, back to you.
All right, Claire Kopsky, thank you. And stay with us as we continue to monitor the aftermath of the tornadoes in Tennessee. When we're not on the air, you can get the very latest over on our website, lex18.com, or follow the recovery on your smartphone with the free LEX 18 News app.